Hey guys, welcome to the video. So this one is going to be about my process on how I list my items, how I come up with the price, a title, a description, condition, all that stuff. And I've been doing this for a while, so I do it pretty quickly. But once you get the hang of it and you start to pick up the items that are profitable for you, you're going to be able to do this pretty quickly. So let's get started. So I have my pictures right here that I downloaded from my Google Drive, which I upload from my phone. And these are the items that I'm working with. So the one that I'm going to work, I already did the ones on the top. So we're going to list this little penguin right here. So what I'm going to do to save me some time, oh, where did the page go? Here we go. I'm going to move this to the side. On my other monitor that I have on my left is a 1983 Graphics International. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go on eBay and I'm going to do some research. So 1983 Graphics International, oh, Plush. Let's see. Hit enter. And I see there's 164 listed currently. And yeah, they do mostly animals, I see. I don't see a penguin, but this bear goes for $60. It's probably pretty big. Mine was also made in Korea, so this series was made in Korea back in the 1980s. So pretty interesting. Oh, here's a penguin, 1890. So that's a little bit of a reference. So what we want to do is take this number 164, and we're going to hit sold right here on the left. And out of the 60 something, 13 sold, so a little bit over 10%. Not a great sell through rate, but they do sell, and for a pretty good amount. I mean, this one, which one is this one? This is an anteater. Interesting. Oh, I would love to have that one. Look at this zebra, $12. Another anteater for $30. So I guess the weirder ones sell for the most. 29, this little beaver, so funny, 1995. So I will safely say that we can get just a little bit under $20. So I don't see any other penguins here, but they all range anywhere from 19 up to the high 20s. So let's go ahead and take one of these listings and um, copy it to our listing. So I really like this one because it has the word vintage 1985. It has the um, brand name and all that stuff. So let's go ahead and hit this one. We're going to click right here. So sell one like this. Click right there. And it's going to bring you to this page. So what we're going to do, we're going to upload our images. And what I'm doing, let me see if I can show you, is I'm going to drag my pictures that I have on this folder into right here. And they're going to go there. So let me go ahead and do the same for the rest. And for the pictures, the more the better. Every angle, every tag, every imperfection, any tears, any stains, any marks, anything that you think the customer wants to see, which is the whole item, because obviously they're not in front of it. So you want to sell them on the item. So let them almost reach out and touch with your pictures. Show them everything. So as you see in my listing, I am showing every single angle, the front, the back, the tags, the measurements. Very important. People want to know how big this item is, of course. So here we go. So let's see how big ours is. Only 11 inches. So we're going to change this one to 11. Let's take out the rare because I don't think it's that rare. And we're going to change it to penguin. Black and white plush. It's not a white plush. I would say black. It may be cream or brown. Maybe Hardline Graphics International, and that's what we have. Let me just make sure that that's what we have. Let me show you the tag. The tag says, oh, his name is Penny. It says it right here on the tag. You can see it. It says Penny. So we're gonna add that to our title, because if somebody's looking for this plush, they're gonna look for the name Penny, hopefully. So let's do this. Penny, and then we can, you know what, it's fine. Penny. And then apply all of this. Our item is used. And in here, I have a little shortcut in my computer. Just look, Google how to do a text shortcut in your computer. It will save you so much time. So mine just says in good condition, clean and sanitized, smoke free and pet free. Check out my other items. I combine shipping. And you wouldn't think that this little text does nothing, but I have gotten multiple item orders based on this little message right there. So people do contact me to buy several items from me. I will do a video later on to show you how to do the combined shipping and all that. So we said that this item was anywhere from 19 to the high 10. So let's conservatively list ours to $21.99. $21.99. We're going to accept offers, and our shipping. This is a light item. It's just 11 inches, so we're gonna go ahead and charge $6.99, and it's about 1 pound. Our the package detail, this really doesn't matter that much, and I just put the standard 12 by 4 by 4. It's not the standard, it's just the way, it's just the side of the box that I use the most. But this one is an 11 inch, maybe 6 inch, and I leave the rest of it blank. I do not promote right away. My strategy with promotion is I only promote items that have been in my inventory for a long time, and then I will promote at 3%, no more than that. So let's go ahead and list. And that's it. Our listing is now live, looking very snazzy, our little penguin. So hopefully it will go to a good home. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comment down below, and I will post more videos of listings to help you out so that you can make more money. Thank you so much, and stay safe out there.